if you are looking for an iPage coupon code so you can get iPage hosting at a discount so you can begin in creating a website or blog, I'll be providing you with an iPage coupon code discount where you will get up to 75% off iPage hosting plus a free domain name. To get your iPage coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and the iPage promo code coupon discount will automatically be applied. You will get iPage hosting for as low as $1.99 a month, plus you'll get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from iPage at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome iPage discount. Once you click the link below in the description, you'll be at the iPage homepage. You'll see you can get hosting for as low as $1.99 a month instead of $7.99, plus you'll get a free domain name. Click the Get Started Now button on the page. Next, choose your free domain name. Type in a domain that you would like to have and click the search button. iPage will now let you know if your free domain name is available or not. Next, select the Choose My Term button over to the right. Now choose a term that you want to select for your iPage plan. You can select 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. The iPage pricing you see is the iPage coupon promo discount. You will see you'll save the most money the farther out you purchase hosting for. Next, select Customize My Plan button over to the right and continue through the process of getting your awesome iPage coupon discount code. You can opt out of the domain privacy or you can keep it selected. I recommend you keep it selected as it will show iPage default contact information instead of your personal information. It's common to get a ton of spam emails or telemarketers wanting to sell you their services all day constantly if you don't have domain privacy. Completely up to you. Next, continue in selecting or unselecting any iPage add-ons that you want. Next, click the Continue to Payment button over on the right. Next, put in your billing information and then under that, enter your payment information and then click the Purchase Now button over on the right. You have successfully purchased iPage hosting. Enjoy your iPage coupon code discount. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.